How do you accept change?
You go through a change, you go through an adjustment phase, and then you think about what to do next. The change is, the shift in life. Adjustment phase is when you process and when you try and think of all your options, lay down everything you can think of na pwede mong gawin, assess everything, all your options, pick the best one for you that resonates with you, your future, and what you want to do in life.
Another change could still happen, and you just have to rinse and repeat. Parang ma-master mo siya na lang.
In the end of the day, kailangan mo siya i-face. Ang change kasi is andyan na hindi mo siya may stop. You can't stop change. Ako kasi may mga times sa akin na mahirap, in personal life, may mga scenario na hindi mo talaga ma-accept na, hala, bakit ganun? Bakit ganun yung nangyari sa akin? At the same time, kailangan mo na lang i-accept na even though na, it hurts.